In this video, we'll see how we can add double column in a single row in mobile view using Elementor. Here you can see there are two columns in a single row. We'll see how we can do it. Let's go. Here, I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now, what we'll do, we'll go on any page. I click on Edit with Elementor. Here you can see. Now I will create a section. Okay. Suppose I will create a section here on top so that you can understand. Click on Add New Section. Here there are two options, Flexbox. You can either select Flexbox. I will guide you with both. First, we'll create two section or three section with Flexbox as per your requirement. Suppose there are three section or four. You can take as per your. It's totally upon you. Now I will add image box. Very simple. There is nothing much more. You can see this is my image box. Now I will create same section like in all four. Now I want to style. Suppose we will first see the tablet view. Here four section is are showing. Now when you go on mobile view, here you see one section is showing. Now I want to display two columns in one row in mobile view. For that, you need to click on it. Go there. Here you can see with. Now change this pixel percentage. For 100%, change it to now 50%. Here you can see this is 50%. Similarly, do with this. Go here, change percent pixel to percentage. Here you can see now 50% are added. Similarly, you can style copy this and paste style in these two also. Like paste style, here you can see, and paste style. Now here you can see in mobile view, two columns are showing in one row. Here you can see easily. So that's very easily we have added two columns in one row for Flexbox. Now, when there are two options in this is the latest version of Elementor. Here is the grid option. Suppose I want to select, I need to add element, then it will only work. I will add one, then another here, and I want to add, suppose here say you can manage row. You want four column in grid also. Here you say there are four column on grid down. Three, four. This is grid. You can see there is no container option. There is only one main container. They are all inside grid. Now here you see go on mobile view. It is also showing one by one. Go on your container. Here you can see here just change to two. Very simple. To create multiple row in grid is very easy as compared to Flexbox. You can select as per your requirement. Here you can select. I just update the column. Okay, you can see very easily we have created multiple column in single row in mobile view. So that easily you can add. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.